Hi, I'm Caren Pretorius. I recently did the Attraction Amplified and AI Crash Course with Yona Detway. Yona, thank you for taking time out of your diary to help and assist me. Your passion for your industry shines through in everything. Your process was very informative, and apart from the tips and tricks that I learned from Yona regarding AI, she also made me think about my unique gifts and abilities that I've acquired through the years in different roles and fields, as well as life stages that I went through in life. My biggest takeaway is the realization that I can apply my uniqueness and value proposition to more people and in different fields and businesses. I can definitely recommend Yona Detway as a business coach, and may her business goes from strength to strength. Thank you.